Introducing the CHiQ 8.5 kilogram front loader washer and dryer combo, where elegant design meets smart performance. Finished in a sleek white, it features 8.5 kilogram washer and a 5 kilogram dryer capacity, delivering seamless laundry experience with innovative features and efficient design. With its slim 577mm installation depth, our Space Pro design fits flush into tight spaces without compromising performance. The jumbo drum, with a 530mm diameter, lifts clothes higher and drops them from greater heights for a deeper, more effective clean. The intuitive control knob lets you easily select from a wide range of wash and dry programs, ensuring optimal care for every fabric. And with our two-step start child safety control, operation is secure and family-friendly. Step 1. Turn the knob to power on and select your program. Step 2. Press the start button. Step 3. Press confirm start to begin. To activate drying, simply turn the knob to drying mode, or add drying to wash programs like cotton, mix, quick wash, sanitize, bedding, or spin. Select auto and advanced moisture and temperature sensors continuously monitor your laundry throughout the cycle. The machine automatically adjusts drying time and heat levels to protect fabrics, prevent over-drying, and save energy. Clothes come out perfectly dry, not damp, not over-dried, ready to wear or fold straight away. Prefer more control? Switch to manual time setting and select drying duration from 30 to 240 minutes. Finally, press start, then confirm start to begin the drying cycle. Steam treatment reduces wrinkles, relaxes fabrics for easy ironing, removes odours, and keeps clothes at the ideal humidity level. You can add steam wash to programs like cotton, mix, baby care, bedding, quick wash, and night wash. The control panel clearly shows which programs support drying and steam wash, so you can easily select the right option with ease. Smart Wash automatically detects the laundry load to optimize washing time and temperature, ensuring efficient cleaning and minimal resource use. Need to add or remove an item mid-cycle? Just press and hold the start/pause button for 3 seconds. If the water level is safe and the drying temperature isn't too high, the door unlocks for easy access. Interior lights guide your wash. White illuminates the drum when the power is on, and the door is open for loading and unloading. Thanks to the 4-pieces shock absorber, this appliance runs quietly, smoothly, and efficiently. A high-quality design shared with top European brands. Smart, stylish, and packed with features, the CHiQ 8.5 kilo front loader washer and dryer combo, WD85SW1, is designed to elevate your laundry experience. Improve your life with CHiQ.